Formally taking over the district head's palace in Ajiri and the Shehu's Lodge in Ngowum town of Mafa local government, the Commissioner for Local Government and Emirate Affairs, represented by the Director Emirate Affairs in the ministry, who is also the Zannah of Borno, Alhaji Hassan Zannah, said the MCRP has touched the people's lives in many positive ways by timely interventions in critical sectors such as health, education, water supply, agriculture and reconstruction of courts as well as judges and traditional rulers' residences. This, he said, will fast-track recovery, peaceful coexistence and restoration of civil authority in all returning communities.
In Borno, we are about to see a lot of good things coming to our people. In Mafa local government, being one of the earliest local governments, and the district in Ajiri being a new district, but with today's construction of a befitting district head's quarter, we're sure that the people of Ajiri will, though relocated to Ajiri already, but will not think of going out to the urban centers, because Ajiri is very, very fertile, we know, and Ajiri is key on the road to Dara.
The construction of traditional rulers' houses, he said, is a pointer to the attainment of positive change in the lives of the people, thereby reducing rural-urban drift. While expressing appreciation to the MCRP management for their efforts, the Commissioner also called for the extension of such projects to other areas as district heads now reside in rented quarters of their subjects. While assuring the commitment of Governor Babagana Umar Zulum and the ministry towards ensuring proper maintenance of the houses, the Zannah of Borno also called for the provision of official vehicles to the district heads for easy intelligence gathering on security matters and reported. Taking over the Ajiri district head's palace, the Secretary of Mafa local government, Laji Muhammad Lawan Sharif, stressed the importance of providing shelter and official vehicle to traditional rulers as they suffer most during the insurgency, and appealed to government to demarcate the house for confidentiality. On his part, the district head of Ajiri Anadwa, Alhaji Yakub, thanked Governor Zulum for reconstructing the entire community and returning of the people. He also thanked the MCRP for providing borehole to the community as well as the construction of his official residence. Earlier, the MCRP project coordinator Zannah Abdulkarim said the role of traditional rulers is vital towards restoring peace among the people.
The district head palace is one amongst the public buildings under the MCRP project, and we all know how critical the traditional institution is to the restoration of civil authorities, which have a direct bearing on the social cohesion of the communities as they return. So as it has rightly been pointed out, we have done more, we will continue to do more.
On his part, the project technical manager Dr. Ali Umar Bashir said providing critical service delivery of infrastructure like school, health, agriculture and shelter of traditional rulers is within the project's scope of interventions, and appealed to the council to maintain the facility.
As you are all aware, one of the project development objectives of the MCRP is to rehabilitate critical service delivery infrastructure. We have been doing that in almost all the sectors: education sector, the health sector, the public buildings, as well as the transport. In traditional rulers building, we have intervened in almost all the local governments.
At Ngowum, the Shehu's Lodge was officially handed over to the Director Emirate Affairs Alhaji Hassan Zannah by the MCRP Technical Coordinator Dr. Ali Umar Bashir for onward presentation to the Shehu. Receiving the lodge on behalf of the Shehu from the Director, the District Head of Mafa, who is also the advisor to the Governor on Emirate Affairs, and the Sheh's son, Alhaji Shehu of Borno, expressed appreciation to the project and Governor Babagana Umar Zulum for making this dream a reality. Prayers were offered for restoration of peace and bumper harvest in the state. For BRTV News, Bulama Yurima reporting.